So now that you've created your student group or a class, you can now use the Students tab to get some more deeper information about your particular class. And so I've given a screenshot here of what it looks like with 6 key points down the left-hand side that I'll just talk through with you now. So you can see, starting from the top, that you can send an email to your group by clicking on the send message icon. And that is helpful and quite easy to do. It says, do you want to send to the students, or do you want to send to the parents, or to the students and the parents? You can choose. And you can add attachments to that. So if you do have an attachment that wants to go with your message, you can do that and it will send from there. It will personalize that message, so you don't need to write Dear Mr. and Mrs. So-and-so, or Dear Parents, or Dear Students, because once you've sent that message and you've provided the parameters, it will send the parent one to Dear Mr. So-and-so or Dear Mrs. So-and-so, and the student one will go to Dear Student Name, and it'll be personalized for you. You can filter your student list at number 2 there, and that's important. We've got many clubs, groups, activities, classes, and so it will help you be able to find your student list a little bit easier. And so the student details summary is provided for every student there. It's an overview, what their first and last name, their homeroom, their year, their unique ID. But if you want to find out more specific information about any student there, you can click on that little green arrow icon, and it gives you a drop-down menu, as you can see there at number 4, where you can now get a look at the photo of that student, their contact details, their birth date, their address, their parent contacts, their medical information, and you can see on that screen there that we do actually have all of the teams or all the clubs that they're involved in. You can look at the events tab and see everything else that they are going to or have permission to attend. And you can also download their medical information from there also. And number 5, you can see the last time the parents have updated their student details. That is provided for you there. And at very number 6 down the bottom, the total number of students in your selected group. So in this case, this particular group had 5 people within it. The final thing I might just mention, the top corner, this top right corner, this tools here, you can actually get any of this data and you can export it to Excel and have it in an editable format, which can be really helpful for you. So there's many things you can select for your group that you may wish to have, and this would be the place to access that.